Good morning, guys. I am going to crochet a beanie again for a Barbie, and I am going to use two sizes of hook. Size G 4.0 millimeter crochet hook for the body of the hat, and size E 3.5 millimeter crochet hook for the brim, and also a number 3 baby sports weight yarn. You can use any color. This is how the hat look like. Perfect for the Barbie or any fashionistas dolls. Okay, to begin, we are going to make a magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice. 1, 2, and then remove the ring. And into the ring, we are going to make 10 double crochet using the size G 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, okay? 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 is counted as first double, so we're going to make 9 more. Okay, now we are going to close the ring. We have two strands here. One is in the inside and one is at the outside. So the one from the inside, we are going to pull that halfway from left to right. Okay, and now we are going to pull the tail. This is the tail. We are going to pull that, pull tight. Now the ring is secured. And as you go, either you are going to crochet this along with you or come back later and hide it there at the center. I am going to leave it there. Now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. This is the beginning chain 3. So on top of it, we are going to slip stitch there to join. And make a chain 3. And into the same stitch, we are going to make 1 double crochet. Now we have 2 double crochet into the same stitch as joining, and we are going to work 2 double crochet into each stitches around with a total of 20 double crochet. Go ahead and make 2 double crochet into each stitches around. Okay, now I have 20 double crochet around, and join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3, and make a chain 3 and 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and we are going to continue working 1 double crochet into each stitches around. And when you finish the round, you should have 20 double crochet still, okay? Alright, now to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And this time we are going to switch hook into the smaller size E 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. make a chain 1 and make single crochet into the same stitch as joining, and single crochet into the next stitch. Go ahead and continue working 1 single crochet into each stitches around with a total of 20 single crochet when you finish. Okay, now join it with slip stitch into the beginning single and make a chain 1. And for the last round, we are going to do the brim using the crab stitch. Okay, now we are going to work backward. Single crochet into the next stitch at the back of the joining. See here, this is joining, this is the next stitch. Slip hook there, pull up yarn, and then pull through. Slip hook into the next one, pull up yarn, pull through. We're going to repeat this around. Okay, I finished the last round. Now I am going to insert the hook into the first single, okay, where the first single is. Insert the hook there. Hold on. Okay, and we are going to close the work here. Now we can cut the yarn. This is how it looks like when you close it. And with the yarn needle, we are going to hide it, okay? This is how I cover the gap here. With the yarn needle and the tail of your yarn, go ahead and insert the needle into the same stitch where you inserted the last stitch is, okay? From the back to the front. From the back to the front into the same stitch as last stitch. Insert the needle there. Like that. And we are going to insert the needle from the back to the front again to the next stitch. Alright? This is where we inserted earlier. Now we are going to the next stitch, back to front. Okay, and now we are going to wave the tail to make it secure. You can wave it here at the front side, or you can go at the back side to wave it. It's up to you. Okay, wave it back and forth, maybe 2 or 3 times to secure. One more time. when you're waving it, make sure that you are not putting the needle all the way at the back here, just in between the stitch. Okay. Okay. And go ahead and do the same at the back, the beginning of the round here. I have one more here. Okay. Wave it back and forth. All right. And this is how the hat look like. Okay, this is how my beanie looks like on my Barbie. All right, this is the back. Don't worry about the shirt. I'm not done with the shirt yet. I'm still working on it. Okay, this is the back of the hat, and this is the front. Okay, I hope you like it, guys. I hope you enjoy crocheting with me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also, please like and share my videos. And if you have question about the stitches, just leave a comment on the comment section below, and I will try my best to respond as soon as I can. This is how it looks like. You can use any color of yarn. This is a number 3 baby sports weight yarn. Okay, thank you once again, guys, and see you for my next video. Bye bye.